यस, सो मैजिक ई इज व्हाट, ये क्या करता है? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी और आई शुड बी टेकिंग द क्लास इन इंग्लिश ओनली?
Yes,
विल यू बी एबल टू
I can
अंडरस्टैंड?
understand Hindi.
Okay,
Hindi.
so you want the classes to be in Hindi or in English?
Hindi.
You want in Hindi? Okay, what I'll do is I'll take class in Hindi as well as in English. Okay, now what is
Okay.
Magic E? Magic E changes the sound of the vowels. You all know what are vowels?
Yes.
Okay, Tilotama, please tell me what is a vowel? Vowel कौन-कौन से vowels हैं? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Yes or no? Yes. So how
Ma'am.
do we pronounce in phonics? We pronounce it as A,
A,
then A,
A,
A, yes, A,
L, E,
E,
कैमरा ऑन कर लो.
E, then O and A. All right. A, A, E, O, A. This is the vowel sound. तो vowel sound क्या है exactly? It is A, E, A, then E
ओ.
and O. Okay, so this is your,
मैम
what
से
is
पूछना
this? Anup, okay. Is there any issue going on?
मैम इसकी साइड में पिक्चर आ रही है आपके पास में?
हाँ, मेरे पास पिक्चर आ रही है उसकी, दिख
बट
रहा है
इसको खुद
मुझे।
को नहीं दिख रही, ये बोल रहा है मुझे नहीं दिख रही है, या तो इस जूम मीट पे होता होगा कुछ ऐसा ही।
नहीं मैम, जूम मीट में आप मुझे देख सकते हो, मैं नहीं दिख
हाँ
रही
हाँ,
हूँ।
मैं देख सकती हूँ ना। नहीं नहीं, जैसे
ओके,
आपका सेकंड स्टूडेंट दिख रहा है ना, तो ये कह रहा है मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँ इसलिए।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ओके फाइन।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं।
I have pinned myself. That's why you won't be able to see, I think. Um,
कोई बात नहीं, वो आप पढ़े देखो अपने।
okay, so we'll sing a song now for vowel. Okay, the song is A, A, E, O, A, A, E, O, A, A, E, O, E, O, Okay, A. What is that? Phonics. We are learning vowels. Okay, so we'll sing along with me. Please sing along with me. It is A, A, E, O, A, A, O, A, E, E, O, A, E, O. Okay, again we'll sing. So what are the vowels? Vowels are A, A, E, O, A, A, E, O, A, E, E, O, A, E, O, A. Now we'll do the action. Okay. A, 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 E, O, O, A. Okay. Is for umbrella. Okay. So A, A, E, O, A, A, E, O, A, E, O, E, O. फिर से बोलेंगे हम लोग. Nivedya, you are not singing with me. Please sing with me. Yes. A, A, E, O, E, O, E, O. Yes. Okay. Tilotma, again sing now. A, A,
A,
A, E, O, okay.
N,
A. This is ant. Okay. A. What is this? This is egg. When we are breaking the egg, the sound is A. Okay. So A, E, O, E. E is your E. Okay. So you will do like this. E, O, O, A. A is the umbrella. Okay. You are taking an umbrella and then you are doing this action. Okay. Okay. Now, Nivedya,
A,
yes, start with me, please. A, 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 E, O, O, A. Yes. A, A, do it as A. Yes. A, 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 A. E, O, E,
E, O,
E,
O,
O, A. E, O, A. Very good. E,
A,
O, A.
A, E, O, O.
Very good. Very good, Anu. Sorry. Uh, okay, we'll start again. Abhidut, please,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can start. You can start saying A, A, E, O,
E, O,
A, A,
O,
A,
A, E, O, O, E, O, O.
A, E, O, A. Okay, Nevedya, now you speak. A, 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 E, O, A. Huh. A, A,
E, O,
E, O,
O.
A, 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 E, O, A, A, E, O, A. All right? Okay, now Tilotma, please. A,
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 E, O, A,
E, O, O.
A, A, E, O, A, 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 E, O, A, A, E, O, A. ठीक है? Okay, now in paper you will write A. How do you write A? It is A, right? So you will write down A. This is how
Mom,
you
done.
write A. Read, right? A, A. A is
A
like
is
this.
E.
A, A. E. E is like this. Yes? E, O is like this. O and then A. Right? So A, E, E, O,
E,
A. लिखो
O,
बुक में.
O, E,
Now
O,
you can
O,
see A,
E, O,
A,
O.
E. Very nice. Very nice.
O,
Abhidit, very
E,
nice.
E, E,
Okay.
O, O.
And Nivedya, okay, tell me A, A, E, O, U.
O,
U को
O.
अ बोलते हैं. Sorry, A, E, O, A, E, O, A, E, O, E, O, Okay, very nice. Okay, so you understood what are vowels? Vowels से क्या होता है? एक word बनता है. Okay, when you make a word, in each and every word you will find vowels. Vowels होते हैं. Vowels बीच में रहेंगे. I'll tell you how to go ahead. Okay? So these are the, ये
Okay,
तो
ma'am.
आपको समझ में आ गया ना vowels कौन कौन से vowels होते हैं and the sounds of it. Okay, sounds भी
O,
clear हुआ है. A, E, O, A.
E, O,
Okay,
O.
so you will be
E, O, O.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, next we'll move to now such words known as this word. Okay. Can you all read this word? This is, I've underlined
Cap.
this. Cap.
Cap.
Yes. But when there is magic E, it becomes
Cappy.
cave. A. Actual sound of A is,
A.
phonic sound of A is A. A for apple. But जब हम E लगा देते हैं लास्ट में, the vowel sound changes. तो vowel का sound क्या हो जाता है? A हो जाता है. A. Okay, now you will actually say it as A. Okay, so clear with this? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
understanding, Nivedya, Tilotma? समझ में आ रहा
Yes.
है?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So what is the sound? The sound is, it becomes, ई से मैजिक होता है. ई
Cap.
का मैजिक क्या करता है? चेंज कर देता है साउंड. यस, तो वो ए
हाँ.
हो जाएगा. यू विल नाउ से इट एज केप. ऑल राइट. ओके.
Cap.
नाउ आई विल शो यू
Ma'am,
वन. हम्म.
ma'am, what is spelling of vowel?
Vowel spelling. Okay. VOWEL. VOWEL is the vowel sound. Okay, vowel. Vowel
V.
का spelling है.
VOWEL.
Yes, correct.
I'm written in notebook.
Okay, okay. Now this I'll rub this. You have written na, E O
Yes.
E O is written. Okay. So
Yes.
yes. Now what we'll do is I will give you one exercise. Okay, हम लोग एक exercise करेंगे and then आपको थोड़ा और clear हो जाएगा उससे. Give me a minute. I'll open the presentation. Yes.
Sure.
E. Okay, till then revise a, e, o, u, a, o, a, e, o, e, o. Keep revising that. Okay, where I've saved it? Just a minute. A, This is magic E. I think I have written it in. Okay. Magic E. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is we will actually learn about vowels. All right. Hmm. Now, these are the
Okay.
vowels. Okay. A, E, I, O, A. Okay. So ऐसे
A.
yes, it is A, E, I, O. All right. Now, these are the vowels where each and every word consists of these vowels. ठीक है, कोई भी आप word बोलोगे, उस word से vowel बनता है. All right, उस word से vowel आएगा कोई भी वर्ड में. I'll tell you how. Okay, now this is A. Okay, but we actually say it as A. The sound of A is A. Right. So the sound of A is A. So what are the examples? Apple,
Apple and
ant, axe, art.
R.
So everywhere, see this, the word consists of vowel A. Okay. So the word is consisting of vowel A. Next,
And
egg. E is for egg. Okay. E is for egg.
egg.
Now egg, elephant. Elephant is again E. All right.
egg.
Envelope is again A. ठीक है? A. And
Eagle
then
egg.
eagle is also again A. So these are the vowels and words. So everywhere you can see E is written. Yes, हर word में E का sound आ रहा है, which is A. Okay? Next. E. What is E? E is I. Okay?
Ma'am,
E sound किसका है? हाँ बोलो तिलोत्मा.
ice cream.
Yes, ma'am. Tilotma, what happened?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very good. But ice cream has magic E. That's why it will be I. We will say it is I. Okay, but actually, what is that? Actually, the sound is E. Okay, so sound of I is E. A, E, E, O, A, E, E, O, A, E, E, O, This is E. Okay. So this is E is for ink. E for insect. E for in. E for igloo. Yes,
Eagle.
Nivedya, where are you? You switched off your camera. Nivedya? Yes. So you are all writing it in your notebook or not? You are writing it? Okay.
Yeah.
So you can write this also. A, a sound is for apple, ant, axe, and art. Okay. Write down the examples.
Apple,
Yes.
Okay.
Write down the examples.
देखो
A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for axe. And again, A is for art. So these are the words with A sound. So the sound is A. All right. Yes. So the sound is A. Now, what is the sound of this? The sound is, what is the sound of this? Yes. What is the sound of this? A. Very good. Okay, so A. So what is that? It is egg. Okay,
Egg.
egg, elephant, envelope, envelope, eagle. This is all A.
elephant,
Elephant. E L E P
H E
H A
N
L
envelope E N
E
N B E.
Yes, Nivedya, are you writing?
Mama, written. Yes,
Written?
ma'am.
Very good. Let Tilotma and Nivedya write it.
Okay.
Eagle letter. Eagle letter. E E A E A A G L E eagle.
L
E. Done,
done, ma'am.
ओके वेरी गुड सो हमने क्या क्या सीखा आज ए एंड ए ये दो साउंड हमें अच्छे से आ गए हैं ओके आ गए साउंड समझ में आ गया दोनों का एक तो है ए एंड ए ओके नाउ विल गो टू ई
I.
यस दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ई
E.
ई दिस इज नोन एज ई yes
letter.
so Nevedya this is known as e
E. Ink letter.
Pilotma, please tell me what is the sound of I?
E.
Very good. Okay. And Abhidyut?
Ink. এখানে দে, এখানে দে।
E. Very nice. Nevedya, what is the sound of I? It is
E.
E.
Insect.
Very good. So we will write few words about I. I is known as E. So E for ink. E for insect. E
House.
for insect. You are able to see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down I is for E and E for ink. E for insect. E for in.
Igloo.
Ma'am, written.
Very
L
good.
double O.
Double
Yes.
O.
Nivedya written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So these are the three sounds which we learned. One was a, and then E. Okay. E, which is स्मॉल ई हिंदी में हम लोग ई लिखते हैं ना वो वाला ई
हाँ.
तो इट विल बी स्मॉल शॉर्ट ई शॉर्ट साउंड इज ई ई ई
E. E. E.
okay okay so now again we'll move on to another presentation
O.
yes
O.
what
We
what
are only done.
Abhidyut what you are saying
Ma'am, we have to only done until 9, not 9 I.
I is known as e the sound of I is e okay
Ma'am, glue. Ma'am, glue.
Igloo, yes.
Ma'am,
Igloo.
ink.
Ink. Very good. Ink. 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 So that is your अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे next thing which will be
Magic. Magic E.
magic. Which will be a magic. Okay. So now this one. Now you have to tell me why it's not opening. Let it open. Just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now what is magic E? Magic E बोलता है that मेरे पास अगर आप E आओगे तो मेरा साउंड वोवल का चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, वोवेल का साउंड क्या होगा? चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर हम लोग लास्ट में ई लगाते हैं तो. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इट इज changes the vowel sound. For example, what is this? Can anyone read and tell me?
Kit.
Kit. Tilotama, can you tell me what is this? Read it and tell me. It is,
Kit.
sorry,
Kit.
K-I-T. What is this? K-I-T is what?
A-I-T. Kit.
Kit. Nivedya, what is this? Nivedya,
Kit.
please switch on your camera because I am unable to see you.
Ma'am,
Nivedya, Nivedya,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Yes.
What is this? This is
Kit.
kit. Kit. Okay, now magic E. Now this is the
Kit.
magic E. So it
Kite.
will become kite.
Kite.
Yes. See, kit के आगे एक E आ गया. ये देखो. E आ गया तो it will become E will become I. Okay, so it will be kite. Kite. Yes. Next one.
Kite.
Yes. Now what is this?
Cap.
This is cap.
Cap.
कैप. अभी मैजिक ही लेके आ रही हूं मैं. सो इट विल बिकम कैप से क्या बन जाएगा? वोवल
Cape.
साउंड. cape. Very good. Cape. Now Tilotma, you will tell me. Okay, next word. Next word you will tell. Okay, tell me what is this? This is
Club.
sorry.
Club.
Ball.
नो, ल तो नहीं है इसमें. What is this? Read it fast.
C-U-B.
C-U-B is
Mm,
it
Medal.
is cub. It
Cup.
is cub.
Cup.
Okay, so cub. A sound. What is the sound of U? It is a. Okay. So there's an issue with phonics. Okay. Chalo, ठीक है. Any which ways, we'll start with the next letter, which is this one. Tilotma, tell me what
Hop.
is this? This
Hop.
is O. Very good. Now magic E is coming. It will become Abhidyut. Yeah, tell me. It will become
Hop.
hop. Now magic E is coming, so it will become
Hop.
O. So it will be hope. Okay. Yes. Next. Then what is this? This is tub. Okay. And now E is coming. U का sound change हो जाएगा. So it will become tube. Tube. Okay. So U का sound change हो जाएगा. All right. Now what is this sound? Okay, Nevedya, please let me
Mad.
know what is this?
Wait.
This is?
Mud.
No, I couldn't understand. What is this? Read and tell me.
Mud.
Mad. It is not mud. It is mad. Now E का साउंड आएगा जब हम लोग E ऐड करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा ए. द साउंड ऑफ ए विल चेंज टू ए. सो इट विल बी मेड. मेड. ओके.
Make.
या. ओके. Abhidyut, tell me what is this?
Hat.
वेरी गुड. किसका साउंड चेंज होगा? ई आएगा तो किसका साउंड चेंज होगा?
Hat.
ए का साउंड. ए तो व्हाट विल बी दैट? द साउंड विल बी ए. तो अभी ई आ रहा है. ई आया तो इट बिकेम
Hat.
हेट.
Eight.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ऑल राइट. सो you understood how the vowel sound changes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how the we have seen that. Now I'll show you another presentation. We'll read that presentation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So magic E. Magic E क्या बोलता है? That अगर मुझे आप लास्ट में लगाते हो तो मेरा वॉवल साउंड चेंज हो जाता है. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टैप. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस टैप?
Tape.
टेप.
Yes.
वेरी गुड. निवेद्या, what is the up sound for this? What is this sound?
What, ma'am?
Just a minute.
What, ma'am?
हाँ. ये बताओ ये क्या लिखा है?
Ma.
सॉरी.
Made.
नो. मेड तो नीचे लिखा हुआ है. ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? What is this?
Mad.
मैं. ए का साउंड क्या होता है? ए होता है. राइट. सो इट विल बी मैड. ओके. नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? टेल मी.
Can.
ओके. सो ई आ जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? साउंड.
Cane.
वेरी
Cane.
गुड. केन. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ दिस?
Mad.
Hat. Hat will become hate. Hate. Yes?
Ma'am, but there is not written hate.
Sorry?
Ma'am, but there is not written hate.
It's written hate. Hate यहाँ लिखा हुआ है नीचे. Can you see it? This one is hate.
No, ma'am.
हाँ.
Where?
What happened, Abhidyut? You can't see hate written?
No, ma'am. I can't see hate written.
Levi.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Abhi? Okay, Nevedya. Fine. You can leave. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Yes. Okay. So, hate, you are not able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know what is the issue, but it should show. Screen तो share दिखा रहा है मुझे. Okay, let's see the other slide. Okay? We'll see the other slide.